Alright, I think we're gonna go to sleep because it's 9:09. Gotta get ready for the morning for fishing and going to our cabin. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Well, as you guys can see, it was raining and thundering last night, so we're not gonna go hiking anymore. We're probably gonna go fishing. Got a little dam here.
Hey, why you going there? Right here.
I got the drain plug because I flooded my kayak. Oh, dang, this is heavy. I can't do this. Oh, here it is. Or just flip it. Alright, time to close this drain plug before we sink it anymore. Yesterday the GoPro died, so I'm gonna catch some fish for you guys to see. I think we're gonna go to the other side of the lake. It's better. There's like tons of crappies and jumbo bluegills, some perch, rock bass. So yeah, get there, get you guys updated. Alright, this is the best spot probably on this lake. Let's see if we catch anything. Oh, that first fish of the day. Oh, a little gill. Got a little chunk like this. Go catch something. What was that? I'm gonna get some crappie or something. I don't want no small bluegills. Pretty much when they eat, sometimes they pull the bobber, but sometimes you just reel it in there. They'll be on there. So, like sometimes like this. Oh, I caught a perch. Decent sized one. Look at it. You want it? I guess. Alright, I'm keeping this guy. I hit. Oh, got one. It's a big one. It's a nice one. Crappie. It's crappie. What is this? Oh yeah, it's, oh no, what the heck? It's a good eating size bluegill. Bluegill. Oh, it's a bluegill.
Nice job. Of the crappie.
I didn't. It's a bluegill.
Damn, that's good. Hey, one. What the hell? Big ass bluegill.
Don't know what I caught. Maybe a bluegill, crappie. What is this? Bluegill? Oh, it's a bluegill. Little guy. This might be a crappie. Crappie? Bluegill? Please, not a bluegill. Oh, it's a rock bass. I think this is a rock bass.
Oh, not that deep.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. See it?
The heck?
Decent size.
Not an eating size. What a bluegill. What a bunch of...
seaweed.
Yeah.
Might be over down there. Oh, we got one.
First fish here. Oh, I set the hook too late. Oh! Took it. These bluegill, they fight pretty hard.
This side just eat though.
Got a perch.
We have a perch, small perch.
What the heck type of perch is this? I'm gonna lip him. What the heck? Smallest perch in the world.
Hey, you got a small perch.
Small perch, dude.
Yeah.
What's this? Come on.